then some guy says it's not too late, my friend, to get up and try again. I'll stand right here.
Screaming loud and foul, dust clouds rising where the shadows crawl. Ain't no stop, ain't no stall. Trucks roll heavy like thunder. Trucks break chains pulling under. Trucks don't whisper, they roar, stealing thunder forevermore. Roads been screaming under the weight. Diesel dreams tearing through the gate. Chrome shines sharp like a knife on fate. Trucks don't wait, trucks don't wait. Engines hum like a devil's hymn. Tires bite the earth's raw skin. Trucks roll heavy like thunder. Trucks
Inside you burning bright. No, it's not over.
lead and I'm following. Out here looking for a light to fill the void. I was weak and I was hollow, I was stuck down, but I found a way up again. Yeah, kept it all inside, no surprise that I'm about to erupt again. I've been running through the fire, battling the flames. Broke out my chain, no more shadow boxing. Now we on the big stage. Now we rage, no more hunger pains. Now we getting paid. Had a dream, knew I do it when they said it's outrageous. I've been glossed over, been backstabbed. Here I'm making jokes, finding funny that I got me the last laugh. Yeah, hard pill to swallow, it's hard to feel when you hollow. Be yourself, don't be a follow. I'm living like no tomorrow. Nowadays update my status, post on my favorites. Program to hate me, to rewind, reshape. I broke out myself, need to break out the mood. Gotta hunt down your demons, but watch out.
Can you hear it calling, reaching out to you? Another lesson, you can't deny the truth. There's nowhere left to hide, you're who you're meant to be. Step into daylight, time for the world to see you.
It's about time I take what's my thoughts, create a shape and design. It's all in your mind, so rethink your future and don't click rewind. Yeah, bet on myself and I'm a double. What's the point in even trying if you ain't gon' put it all on the line? Redefine who you are in these moments. You decide, but yourself is your only opponent.